Good morning, traders. It's Wednesday, March 25th at 4:17 a.m. All right, two stocks for you today. We've got ARM, ARM. There's news they're going to be selling their own chips, apparently. And then we've got silver, which is on the move. I haven't talked about that in a while. So let's go ahead and get started. Largest trades in the last month. ARM doesn't seem to have a lot of them, but they are significant because of the price action here. Going back here, March 4th. We've got some prints here, 300K, 115K. We have this, we've pulled back, and you can see how we've tested these, pulled back, and then increasing volume here. And then we've got a break and a retest of prints here, and that's probably a good entry point after this pullback. And then we've moved up new prints, 700K, 669, and 50. So there's a lot more here than there are back here. And so we consolidated for 1, 2, 3, and on the fourth day we moved up. And you can see here we've got this 137, 669K. So we've got this consolidation here and then breaking out. So this one seems to be on the move, maybe potentially for a longer term swing. We're breaking above this previous resistance here. So if we pull back to that 144 and then maybe move up, we'll see what's going on. But it looks really strong today. We're almost at R3, which is usually overbought. Anyway, we're going to be bullish above 150. Let's get above there, the $10 level target, 150, 132 here. Then we've got 152.50, 155, 157.50, 158.89 is R4, and then I've got it up to 160. The ATR on this one is $6.33. It's already up 13 points overnight, so that one's a mover. Bearish below 148. Let's get below here, and then target 147, 146, 145, 143.75 back down here to R2. This is also the post market where we were hovering the entire through the close all the way through. And so that can be support there as well, 143.75. Then we got 142, 140, 139, 36 is R1. And this is also a double pivot and cam and my 200 exponential, 200 simple. This would kind of be the cushion here. I would be taking my profit here on the short side and potentially getting out. I would expect quite the bounce here on this, especially with it being so strong and doing a counter trend trade. All right, let's go ahead and look at silver, SLV. Okay, silver here in the last month, different story. Look at this, millions and millions of shares here, and this looks like a distribution pattern at the moment, but we'll see, because we had these massive prints here, up-thrusted big prints right here, about $85, 1 million here, and we pulled back, came up, tested the print, move back, more prints, moving down. Now we've got this print here at 65, 936K, and then we got this other one, 800K down here, and now what we're doing is we're breaking above that today, and we're testing the 8 exponential moving average. So we can probably get up here to the 7150 level, this print sitting right here. So the ATR on this one's about $4. It's been a little less volatile than it has been before. So we're going to get above for the bullish trade, bullish above 67, target 67.48. If you're watching this and we're already here, then you want 67.48 to be support. So break, retest, move up. 68, 69, 69.90 is R4. Then we've got 71, 71.40 is this 900K. And then we've got 72.32 is R5 on that. So we've actually given it another 7 points, which was a little bit further than the ATR, but this one seems to be moving. So similar sort of thing. This is a nice uptrend with the 4 and the 8 exponential moving average here. If you're seeing this, no reason to get out, right? On the downside, we're going to be bearish below 66. Let's get below here. Target 65.40, 65.44, 65.15 is this 936K, and it's also this R2, which we have that's 9 cents below that, and my 50 simple moving average, and we have this really nice move up. So this could definitely be support there. Then we've got 64.28, 64, 63, 62, all the way down here. And then I've got 63.38 is a 600K, I think. 63.38, and then 62.73 right down here is this pivot. And so whatever this was, this right at 4 a.m., we had this massive candle that just shot up there. So that would bring us down here, my 200 simple, 200 exponential, and all of this support here. So I would be getting out at this point anyway, and that is essentially the ATR if we pulled back on there. Okay, there you have it. Those are your 2 trade setups for today. So please like, share, subscribe, do all of that great stuff. We have our weekly dark pool report at mobyticktrading.com/weekly-report. First name, email address. We talk about swing trading every week. You get a newsletter on Sunday and swing trades for the setups. I do about 13 stocks a week, and then we review them. Each newsletter, we see how we did the week before, have a bit of a discussion, and get you set up for the following week. All right, happy trading, everyone. We'll see you later this afternoon with our results video. MobyTick has partnered with TrendSpider to bring real-time institutional trades to your charts. Click the link in the description below for more details.